everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm sharing with you some delicious, healthy desserts that are easy to make and they're just so decadent and yummy and so good. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos from me. And I'm actually including a bonus recipe in this video that I'm going to be sharing on my Instagram. So if you head over there, you get another dessert, and I'm going to show you in the video, but basically they're like little turtle bites filled with caramel and pecans and chocolate, and they're delicious. So head over there to get that recipe. So let's go ahead and get into the healthy desserts. So the first thing we are making are these almond butter swirl brownies. They are so fudgy. So I'm starting off with some sweet potato and avocado, and the sweet potato adds some nice complex carbs, and then the avocado adds some nice healthy fats, which helps to decrease your LDL or your bad cholesterol and increase your good cholesterol. So you blend those two together so we get something nice and smooth. We don't want any chunks in our brownies of either avocado or sweet potato. So blend it until it's nice and smooth. And then I'm adding in the cocoa or cacao. You can use either. Because we're cooking it, you don't need to use raw cacao, but I only had raw cacao. And it's full of great antioxidants, and it's good at also regulating your blood pressure. I'm adding in an egg as well as the maple syrup, which I find a lot of people don't know actually has a lot of trace minerals in it and also antioxidants. So just stir that together until we get a nice even brownie batter. It comes together really easily, and I wanted to use ingredients that I thought most of you guys had at home, so no weird flours or anything like that. So it's something really simple. I'm adding in a little bit of vanilla extract along with some baking soda, stirring that in, and then I'm putting it into a 9-inch pan. You can use a square one. I just didn't have a square one, so I'm using a round one. And then you're just going to spread it evenly along the sides. As you guys can see, it's not a super thick batter, so it spreads nice and evenly and nicely, and we're gonna get a nice, rich, fudgy brownie made with good, simple, whole ingredients that are really great for you. Next up, I melted down some almond butter, and I'm putting some spoonfuls because this is the trick into how to create that really nice swirl. You make spoonfuls like this, and then you just take a knife and you run the knife through the circles of your nut butter and you put it through the batter like this. So you kind of just keep going until you're happy with your swirl. You can do any kind of nut or seed butter here, or you can totally leave it out, but I think this really elevates the brownies and makes them extra special. After you bake them at 350 for half an hour, you have your wonderfully fudgy, delicious swirl brownies. These are going to be so good for a sweet treat, but they're loaded with such great healthy fats. All right, so once your brownies are done and out of the oven, they are going to be wonderfully fudgy. They're more of a fudgy brownie than a cakey brownie, but anyways, let's go ahead and have a taste. So excited. Oh, they're so good. They're wonderfully fudgy without being too sweet, and I love the almond butter swirl on the top. You could definitely do any kind of nut or seed butter. A hazelnut one would be good too. It's so delicious and fudgy. It's the perfect treat. I'm so happy with these turned out. They're definitely going to be gone very soon. All right, guys. Next up, we're making these mint chocolate cups, which if you're familiar with the eating evolved ones, they're kind of a spin on that. So I'm taking some coconut butter. I love coconut butter because it's full of lauric acid, which means it's going to be really great for your immune system, and it also helps to increase your metabolism. While that's melting down on our double broiler on the stove, I'm taking some cacao to make some nice raw paleo chocolate. You guys have seen me make this a bunch of times before, but the ratios will be down in the description box. And like I've said, raw cacao, really great antioxidants for it, especially when it's raw. A little bit of maple syrup for a touch of sweetness, mix that together, and then I'm taking my silicone molds and a teaspoon measurement and just putting a little bit on the bottom and kind of spreading it so that it covers the whole bottom of the silicone mold. These were super inexpensive from IKEA. I think you got 12 for like $1.99. They're also on Amazon. I suggest investing in silicone cups because I swear I use them at least every week, if not more. They're really handy for making desserts. Once your coconut butter is soft and melted, I'm using a spoon to put about a teaspoon into each of it, and then you're going to be pressing that down so it kind of sits in the middle of the chocolate. And then with the leftover, I'm putting a little bit on the top as well and kind of swirling it. Once you leave them in the freezer for about 15 minutes, they will be done, and you have these wonderfully easy peppermint swirl coconut butter cups that are super refreshing and make a great treat. So once your cups are done, they will look like this, and you can just store them in the freezer. That's what I would do, and then pull them out when you want them. But let's go ahead and have a taste. Oh, so good. They're so good and so refreshing because of the mint. If you've tried the Eating Evolved mint coconut butter cups, these are very similar to that. They're the perfect little treat to have. Plus they have healthy fats in them, not too sweet. I'm in love with all these desserts, guys. And lastly, I'm showing you guys one of my favorite quick desserts that I make all the time. So I'm starting off with some coconut milk. Guys, coconut milk is so good. It's full of nice healthy fats that help to support the digestive lining in your gut and help to rebuild it. And it also improves the insulin response in your body. So it's really good. I would suggest getting the full fat, not the light. Don't be scared of full fat, guys. It's so good for you. And you literally just take your beater and you beat it up until it's like a whipped cream consistency. It's super easy. I'm taking some fresh local strawberries, a heaping spoonful of that, and some of the leftover Paleo chocolate. I will leave ratios down below. Super easy dessert. I just had it right now. It was delicious. Now it's time for the taste test. What I love is that it's so easy to make this, and you get like a little bit of decadence, but there's some fruit. So let's have a taste. So like a whipped cream, chocolate, and strawberry. It tastes just like chocolate strawberries, but the coconut whip kind of gives it that whipped cream feel, but it's got healthy fats. It's going to be satisfying. This has honestly been one of my go-to healthy desserts for a long time now, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Okay, I'm going to dig in and have some more. So this is the bonus recipe. It's kind of like a turtle bark filled with caramel and pecans and chocolate, so let's have a taste of this too. The caramel is the perfect consistency. It's not too hard, but it like pulls away. It's got a little bit of chocolate, but the healthy nuts like pecans. You definitely want to head over and get the recipe for this because it's something you can easily keep in the fridge and then just have a piece when you need a little something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a good old thumbs up and comment down below which healthy dessert you would want to make first or which one looks the best to you. I don't think I can pick one. I really don't think I can pick one, guys, because they're all just so delicious. I'm kind of excited to be eating desserts for the next couple days. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.